Ancient Undersea Wall discovered off the French coast, a comprehensive report. Marine archaeologists have uncovered an extraordinary undersea wall along the western coast of France, a discovery that promises to shed new light on Europe's prehistoric coastal landscapes and early human adaptation to rising seas. This monumental feature, now submerged beneath several meters of water, is believed to date back thousands of years, potentially to the Neolithic era. 1. Discovery and initial investigation. The wall was first detected during a comprehensive marine survey conducted as part of a project to map submerged prehistoric landscapes. Detection: high-resolution sidescan sonar and multi-beam echo sounders revealed a long, linear structure extending across the seabed. Confirmation: autonomous underwater vehicles and professional divers verified the existence of the structure, confirming that massive stones, some weighing over a metric ton, were intentionally placed in a continuous line. Location: the wall stretches for over 400 meters in the shallows of the Atlantic coast, in an area where ancient river estuaries would have met the ocean. Dr. Claire Fournier, lead archaeologist from the University of Nantes, commented, "When we first saw the sonar images, we knew we were looking at something significant. Its scale and precision are unlike anything we've documented in this region underwater." 2. Structure and composition. Detailed underwater surveys revealed the wall's construction techniques and unique features. Stone arrangement: the stones are stacked and occasionally wedged together, forming a semi-stable barrier resistant to tidal currents. Materials: local granite and sandstone were used, transported from coastal outcrops that are now partially submerged. Engineering insight: some sections of the wall suggest deliberate gaps or channels, which might have allowed water to flow through or trap marine life. Archaeologists are intrigued by the presence of flat paving stones near the wall's base, which could indicate work platforms or pathways used by its builders. 3. Historical and cultural significance. Preliminary analysis suggests the wall could date back 6,000 to 7,000 years, placing it in the early Neolithic period, when farming and fishing communities flourished along Europe's Atlantic coast. Potential purposes include: 1. Coastal erosion or flood defense, acting as a levee or barrier against storm surges. 2. Tidal fishing system, functioning as a primitive fish trap, capturing marine life as tides receded. 3. Settlement boundary, marking territory or enclosing areas used for agriculture or fishing. 4. Ritual or social use, serving as a symbolic construction reflecting communal activity. Dr. Fournier notes, "This structure is more than a pile of stones, it reflects planning, collective effort, and a deep understanding of the coastal environment thousands of years ago." 4. Environmental context. During the Neolithic period, sea levels were several meters lower than today. The presently submerged coastline would have featured tidal flats, shallow lagoons, and estuarine channels ideal for fishing and early settlement. Over millennia, post-glacial sea level rise gradually engulfed these areas, preserving the wall under layers of sediment. The site also contributes to ongoing studies of how prehistoric populations adapted to climate change and environmental shifts. Rising seas likely forced these early communities to relocate, leaving behind structures that bear witness to their ingenuity. 5. Future research and exploration plans. The discovery has initiated a multi-year research project combining archaeology, marine geology, and climate science. Planned activities include: radiocarbon dating, sampling organic material trapped in the wall or nearby sediments. Seabed excavation, searching for tools, pottery, or other artifacts linked to the builders. Paleoenvironmental reconstruction, reconstructing the ancient coastline using sediment cores. Digital modeling, creating a 3D model of the wall to study its design and function. If confirmed as a Neolithic construction, the undersea wall could become a key site in understanding early European coastal engineering and may join the ranks of other famous submerged prehistoric landscapes like Doggerland in the North Sea. 6. Global relevance. Submerged prehistoric sites are increasingly important in reconstructing how ancient societies responded to sea level rise. The French undersea wall demonstrates that communities thousands of years ago were not passive victims of environmental change, they engineered solutions, leaving behind evidence of resilience and innovation. Dr. Fournier concludes, "This wall is a conversation across millennia. It tells us that humans have always adapted to nature's challenges, and their ingenuity remains preserved on the ocean floor." Summary. The French Undersea Wall is an extraordinary archaeological find that combines elements of prehistory, engineering, and environmental study. Its discovery not only deepens our understanding of Neolithic coastal life but also serves as a reminder of the timeless human struggle and creativity in the face of changing seas.